Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Saroj Digital Learning. Students, as we have started lesson number 4, electric current and magnetism. So let us continue the same. Today we will see about the lead acid cell. It is one kind of a cell that is being made of the lead and acid. Lead and acid is used for making such kind of a cell, and acid is sulfuric acid. The molecular formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Okay, now see here, this type of cell can be recharged. It's a very good fact. This type of cell can be recharged after getting electrically discharged. Even though if it is discharged after the use, it can be recharged again and again. The lead acid cell contains a lead electrode and a lead oxide electrode. You can see here, this is the lead dioxide and this is lead. So these are the two electrodes which will carry the charge. Now, and a lead oxide electrode, and both are dipped in dilute sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid is H2SO4. PbO2. This is the molecular formula of lead oxide. Pb is the symbol for lead, and O2 is for the oxide. Lead oxide carries a positive charge. This electrode will carry a positive charge, as it is indicated with the plus sign over here, positive terminal. While the lead electrode carries a negative charge. This is the lead electrode, Pb symbol of lead, and that's a negative terminal. So there are two terminals, positive and negative. Positive terminal is of lead oxide, and negative terminal is of the only simple lead. The potential difference between these two is nearly 2 volt. Potential difference means volt is nearly about 2 volt. Because of the chemical reaction between the substances in the cell, electrical charge is produced on both the electrodes. Electrical charge is produced on both the electrodes, and electric current flows. And electric current flows through the lead, that is a bulb, in the circuit. So if we keep here, suppose a bulb, it will glow because of the flow of the current. This kind of electric cells have a capacity to deliver large current. So large current can be transferred from one place to another place. Hence, the lead acid cells are used in cars. So this is the application of the lead acid cells, and these are used in cars, trucks, motorcycles, and uninterrupted power supplies. There is the UPS. Full form of UPS is uninterrupted power supplies. Now see, another is nickel cadmium cell. Ni is the symbol for nickel, Cd for cadmium cell. These days a variety of gadgets are available. Gadgets means devices are available which are required to be carried to different places. Such gadgets use nickel cadmium cells. The cell delivers 1.2 volt. The cells deliver 1.2 volt potential difference and are rechargeable. Example, suppose a grinder machine or a cutter machine. Different kind of tools are used nowadays that are portable. That means they can be carried from one place to another place. In such a device or such a gadget, this type of nickel cadmium cells are used, which is very easy for the use. Okay students, thank you.